Draw and learn! Oh, look at this beautiful desk clock! Oh, it's ringing! Wake up! Hello, kids! Today, we want to draw a desk clock with each other. Do you like it? That's so wonderful! Let's draw with me, kids! Don't forget to subscribe us! We can draw two eyes for our clock and a beautiful smile. Now I want to draw numbers. Do you know numbers? Can you read clocks? You're so clever. Keep going, kids. Let's draw two hearts. Let's coloring our clock so colorful. If you like to see my other videos, please subscribe me, kids. That's so great! We colored our clock so beautiful. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Draw and learn. Oh, look at this backpack! So beautiful! Hello, kids! Today we want to draw a backpack with each other. Please draw with me. We use backpack to go to school with that. Do you have backpack for yourself? Awesome! Which color is your backpack? So nice! Continue! You're so great! I'm sure you can draw very well. Let's draw a zip now. Now I want to draw a big heart for design our backpack. And then some little hearts here. Let's coloring our drawing with each other. I like to have a colorful backpack. At first, I'm using pink color for this heart. Which color I can use now? What about blue color? Do you like it? That's right, blue color. I'm coloring some hearts with blue color. Please subscribe us. Orange color, purple color. Oh, it's gonna be so colorful. Do you like it? I like it very much. Yellow color. I'm using yellow color now. And then I'm using green color for these hearts. So nice. Let's using red color for this big heart. Light blue color. And then I like to use green color. What about you? Which color do you like to coloring with? Keep going, kids. You're so great. What do you like to put in your backpack? Maybe your books and your pencils. That's right. Light pink color. I like to use blue color for the zip. Which color do you like for that? Now I want to use the colors of rainbow here. At first I'm using orange color. Then I'm using red color for this part. Awesome! Which color do you like now? What about green color? I'm using it now here. And for the last part, blue color. Repeat after me, blue color. Please subscribe us. Oh, you had done it, kids! So great! Thank you for watching me. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!